swapping out the motors on my Bearcat Chipper shredder. The original 8.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton was toast. Non-repairable. Well, more money than I wanted to put into it to repair it. So in the meantime, I had put in a 6 horsepower Subaru Robin engine. Added something else, and it worked good for about a year. But it's dumping gas out of the carburetor now, and I just don't even want to mess with it anymore. So I don't even feel like messing with the carburetor on it. So I got this electric start off Amazon. I don't even remember what brand it was. Something generic 212cc, 7.5 horsepower electric start. It was all right for the price. I had to submit a claim on it because the box it came in was pretty mangled when it showed up yesterday. Only real damage I saw was this muffler's kind of bent up, or at least the housing is, the cover. And it was upside down, so any oil that was in it is in the top end now. So I brought it out here and let it sit for a while, let the oil drain out of the top end. And let's go get this Subaru motor out of here. I was going to get a bigger horsepower motor, like a 12 or 10 or 12 or 13 or something, but the shaft size is different. This takes a 3/4 inch shaft, and the bigger motors take a 1 inch shaft, so I'd have to change the pulley too, which isn't really a big deal. All right, we got our pulley off. Trying to go back onto this one here, but pulley seems a little wrong size maybe, or something. So we're just going to measure shaft here, see what we got. Shaft is almost 800 thousandths. Pulley's 740, 750. So I'd say that's a no-go. I think I'm going to be returning this motor and getting another one, since it's damaged and the shaft is the wrong size. Here comes my compost guy. This motor was a washout. Not only did it get banged up in shipping, the crankshaft where the pulley goes on, it's supposed to be 3/4. It's almost 800 thousandths. So it's just wrong. So I'm going to have to return it. They have, I don't even know what manufacturer this is. There's like 5 or 6 different places on Amazon that has them. This is the 7.5 horsepower electric start. So chances are they've all got the same problems or similar problems. I've heard some of the reviews where they've been messed up in shipping. And some people say they probably didn't measure them. Some people say that they had to grind some off of the crankshaft to get the pulley on. You know, I'm not grinding anything off the crankshaft to do it, or cutting it down, or boring the pulley out. I shouldn't have to. So I'm just returning it. And I probably will go with the 15 horsepower Predator motor for the chipper shredder over there. I have to get a bigger pulley, have to get a 1-inch size pulley to go on there, 1-inch bore pulley. But that's it for that. So if you see one that looks like this right here on there, they don't even have a name on them. It's just whoever's making it. They're all getting them off the container ship and selling them for whatever. But I'll just go to Harbor Freight and get the Predator motor. They've had good reviews on that thing, and it's probably too big for this chipper shredder, but better too big than too small. The frame will handle it. But that's it for that one. Just be careful what you're buying out there.